PayPal now lets you buy expensive things and pay it off in 4 installments without any interest or credit check. It's called Pay in 4. Here's how to use it. Before I get started, take a moment to subscribe to How to Do It All for more helpful how-to videos. Okay, so PayPal in 4 was recently rolled out to PayPal account holders, and it's basically an interest-free microloan backed by PayPal. The program is only available on qualifying purchases from $30 to $600 at participating online stores. According to PayPal, they do a soft credit check, which does not affect your credit score. And PayPal pays the vendors in full up front and then allows you to auto-pay the balance over 4 installments. So let's walk through the PayPal in 4 process while I make this purchase. I'm here on GiantTeddy.com and I'm gonna purchase my wife one of the hottest items on the site. The 7-foot, life-size, pink giant teddy bear Cuddles. It's the biggest teddy bear, which is currently on sale for $224.99. That's a deal. But because I only make the medium bucks working at CNET, I'm gonna have to finance this thing. I'm gonna pay this thing off in 4 installments instead of one lump sum. So let's get started. You simply shop as you normally would, and when you get to the checkout, under payment options, you will now see a Pay Later button underneath the PayPal checkout button. Click on Pay Later, and you'll be prompted to log into your PayPal account. You need a PayPal account to use PayPal in 4, just in case you didn't know that. Once you've logged in, select your shipping address and scroll down past the payments options and credit cards that you might have on file with PayPal and select the checkbox next to Pay in 4. You will see a brief summary of what your bi-weekly payment will be if you're approved. Mine says the pink giant teddy bear will be 4 interest-free payments of $60.75 due every 2 weeks starting today. Your first payment is the down payment, which you're gonna pay right now, followed by 3 installments every 15 days. Click Continue and you will see the exact payment amounts and the dates they are due. You will also see that there are no sign-up fees, no interest automatic payments from your PayPal account, and there is no impact on your credit score. If all looks good, you click Continue and you'll be asked to confirm your info. Once you've confirmed your info, click Agree and Apply. The next window will ask you to choose a credit card for automatic payments for Pay in 4. Select the credit card you have on file with PayPal that you want to use for automatic payments, or you can link a new card. Check the box that says you have read and agreed to the loan agreement and payment authorization and click Agree and Continue. And boom, you've made your purchase with PayPal in 4, and your credit card will be charged immediately, and then it will be automatically charged over the next 3 installments on the dates laid out by PayPal in 4. Now you can pay off your balance early without any penalty from PayPal, but if you miss a payment, something happens like your credit card gets canceled or something, PayPal is very vague about the late fees it will charge. So I suggest making sure you pay it off before the final date. So I have a confession to make. I didn't really buy the giant teddy for my wife. I was just using it as a prop for this video. She would hate that. She would think I was crazy for buying it. I don't even know where I put that thing in my house. But if you're a crazy person and you like this video and you found it helpful, subscribe to How to Do It All and ring that bell for more videos. And if you like our finance stuff, check out our How to Use Apple Pay video. It's extremely informative and helpful. Let us know in the comments about your favorite finance tech, and thanks for watching.